Today in the Super Chef garage we'll be doing a little something different. Picked this lawnmower up for 30 bucks at the local dump. So what the problem is the back tire is flat and the rim has to come off. I've got another mower over there I'm just going to take a tire from. So I've done this before with the other mower, and the way I'm going to get this tire off, because it's kind of seized onto the axle shaft, is I've got a steering wheel puller, bolts anchored through the holes. So I'm going to put the impact on this, pushing on a tiny socket that fits in the rim slot there, and it's just going to pull the tire off. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I already know this one's going to because it already started to come off on its own. I couldn't get it with my 2x4 or anything else. So literally just gonna zoom in there. See, it's gonna be a little noisy for a second. As you can see, it's starting to focus, you bastard. So still gonna be stuck on there just a little. After you do this, you're gonna want to put a little never seize on. So we've got the tire off. There's the rusty shaft that it was on. A little setup here. It took me three little sockets to push this shaft out. So sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it does. And like I said, that's just a steering wheel puller or something like that my dad gave to me. And I just welded the 3/4 inch socket onto there. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up. So I'm gonna put these sockets away first. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up with a little Scotch-Brite and coat it in never seize, and then put the new wheel on. So you get the gist. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and notifications if you want to see more of the weird and fun stuff I do around here.